Okay, I'm going to go over the worksheet that is adding and subtracting scientific notation. The homework was 8, 11, 18, and 19. So 8 is 2.7223 times 10 to the third minus 4.3362 times 10 to the second power. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and put these in parentheses so I could see the scientific notation a little bit better. And what I need to do here is I need to add 1 to match the 3, but when I add 1, I go left 1. So I'm going to rewrite the numbers now. So this one is still 2.7223 times 10 to the third minus, and I need to move that decimal 1 to the left, so it's going to become 0.43362 times 10 to the, and add those, the third. And now we have the same exponents. So now we're going to add the coefficients. Oh, not add, we're going to subtract because it says to subtract. So you got to make sure you pay attention to that symbol. All right, so let me go grab a calculator. Okay, so I'm going to take 2.7223, subtract 0.43362, 0.43662. Okay, so I get 2.28568, 2.28568 times 10 to the third. So you keep the same power of 3. Number 9, or number 11 is the next one. So 2.6824 times 10 to the 0 plus 9.5221 times 10 to the fourth. And what you're going to do is match 0 to the 4, so we're going to add 4, which means we have to move this decimal 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we get, if you go 4 to the left, you're going to have to add 3 zeros, so 0.123 and then 2, 6824 times 10 to the fourth, because 0 plus 4 is 4, and then add it with 9.5221 times 10 to the fourth. You keep these and add these because it says add, so we're going to add these coefficients. So 0.00026824 plus 9.522 equals. All right, so we get this long decimal, 9.52226824 times 10 to the fourth. And that's my answer. Now, if you're using a calculator at home, you might be, depending on how far your calculator screen reaches, you can just go as far as you possibly can, and then we'll just, that should be fine. Number 18. So I'm going to copy it down. Plus 9.9851 times 10 to the third. I want to make the 1 match the 3, so I'm going to add 2, which means I have to go back 2. So when I rewrite this number, I'm going to have to put a 0 after the decimal, so it's 0.061403, and then times 10 to the third power, plus 9.9851 times 10 to the third power. So I'm going to add the coefficients. So I get 0.061403 plus 9.9851 equals. We get 10.046503 times 10 to the third. However, we didn't discuss this in class, but this is not in true scientific notation. Not in true scientific notation. So remember, this number here cannot be greater than 9, okay? this decimal is not far enough. It's not in the right place, basically. So I need to move it back 1. And when I do that, I got to also add 1. So my final answer is 1.0046503 times 10 to the 4th power. And that's my final answer. And number 19, 9.381 times 10 to the 3rd minus 1.1883 times 10 to the 3rd. The nice thing about this one is that these already have the same exponents, so I can go right ahead and perform the operation. In this case, it is subtraction. So I'll do 9.381 minus 1.1883. So I get 8.1927 times, and then you keep the times 10 to the 3rd. And that's my final answer.